This tutorial will show you how to record MotionBuilder with PeelCapture while connected to OptiTrack Motive. So, if you haven't already, the first thing you should do is go download the OptiTrack plugin for MotionBuilder and open MotionBuilder. So we are going to start with a completely blank project. Once you have the plugin downloaded and installed, you can go down here to your asset browser, devices, and grab one of these three. You can connect PeelCapture with all three of them, but today we will just be using the skeleton. So you're going to want to drag that into your empty scene, and this window over here on your navigator should show up. If for some reason it doesn't, you can find it in your devices and right here. Now that you have this window open, this is what connects you to Motive. The biggest thing that you want to make sure here is to check your server type and make sure that's multicast. Now that we have this in our scene, we can go over to Motive to make sure the settings are correct. So to check the settings here, you should go to the data streaming panel, which can be opened here, and we already have this opened here on our project. Now from here, the two things you want to make sure is that your local interface is set to loopback and your transmission type is set to multicast, identical to what is set up in MotionBuilder. Once you have that, we can go back to MotionBuilder and connect MotionBuilder to Motive. Once clicking online, if it's going to connect, it'll turn green. And then the other thing that we'll require for PeelCapture is this recording button. The live one is optional. It just depends on whether you're already doing recorded animation in Motive or whether you're doing live. We'll be doing live, so I'll be clicking that. The last thing you need to do is click model binding and then create. Now you should be able to see your actor in the scene. We don't currently have one in the volume, so that's why this looks a little weird. So now both Motive and MotionBuilder are set up to hook into PeelCapture. So now we can open up PeelCapture. In PeelCapture, we will be going to the devices and adding MotionBuilder as a device. So you can go down here to Mobu and just double check that the address here is the same as the address down here. And as long as they're identical, you can click add. Now, once the device is added, you can see MotionBuilder right here, and it's green, which means it's ready for recording. And as long as we have set everything up correctly, we can hit record, which will show red recording here. You can see that it's recording in MotionBuilder. The timeline is going past, and you can also see that MotionBuilder is indicating that it's recording right here. So when we hit stop, MotionBuilder will stop. This will turn back green, and that's all you need to do to record MotionBuilder with Motive recording via PeelCapture.